Hey guys, this is Tyson Faulkner with listbuildingmasters.com, and today I'm making another video in the how to create your first list with Aweber series, and this is about creating a web form to put on your squeeze page. So first let's get started by logging into your account, and next make sure the current list is the list that you created here, and click on the web forms tab. Now you're going to get this little message, but just ignore it for now. It doesn't matter because we're not using the confirmed opt-in. And click on the green button here that says create a new web form. And we're just going to create a simple web form that's going to capture our subscribers but isn't terrible looking. I don't use Aweber's web forms much. I mean, they have all these things that look all fancy, but I think they'd just be distracting. If you want to use them, go ahead and test it, but I wouldn't suggest starting out with it. So the best thing to do is just click on the Popular tab and click on Basic, and that's the one we're going to start with. So click on Load Template, and that'll put it into your little creator here. And let's get started. So this is assuming we're asking for a name and email address. First we're going to get started by deleting all this junk below here. We're going to get rid of that one. Just click on the little red X to get rid of them. We'll get rid of all three of these. Now what we're going to do is put a background to set the web form apart from the rest of the page. So go ahead and go to Body and click on the background color, and let's just make it a light yellow. It's usually a pretty good color. So just click on the yellow area over here, and then just click up here close to the white, and just make sure it's nice and light so it doesn't distract too much. Okay, you probably can't see that too well, but you'll be able to see it better when it's on your white page. Next we're going to add a border. We're going to make it a dashed border, and let's make it 4 pixels big. And that gives it a nice thick look. And we're going to make it red so it attracts a lot of attention. Now the red color I like to use, just go ahead and click on this box over here with all the numbers in it and type in CC0000, and that's a nice deep red color. Just click OK, and that adds our border. Next we're going to change up our labels a little bit. So go ahead and click on one of these, and instead of just name, go ahead and type in your first name with a colon and hit save. And do the same thing with email. Instead of just email, put your primary email address. So it just gives a little better instruction and makes it more clear what to do. We'll save that. Next we're going to put these labels on top of the boxes so it's not all cramped like this. So go ahead and click on them and make sure this box is closed. So go ahead and click up here and go to Labels and click the position box over here that has the little blue box above the white box, and that'll put the labels above the input boxes, and that's what we're looking for. Now we're going to make this a little wider so these aren't stacked like this. There we go. Next we're going to change the submit button. Submit's really bland and it's kind of boring, and nobody wants to click on a submit button. So we're going to change the text of that. So you just click on that and it'll bring up this box, and go ahead and type in give me instant access with an exclamation point and 2 greater than symbols. It's a pretty good little thing to put on there because it's kind of like an arrow, like it's going to take them somewhere. So that's much more likely to get clicked on. We'll save that, and again make our form a little wider to accommodate that bigger button. Alright, next we're going to do the header. Now if you click on it and it doesn't bring up anything, go ahead and click on something else first, close that box out, and then click on Edit Header again, and it should work fine. I'm not sure why that doesn't work. But go ahead and type in here, claim your free gift below. And let's highlight this text, make sure it's in Tahoma, and the font size is around 16 pixels, is pretty good. Go and make it bold, and as you can see, mine's already red, but in case yours isn't, just click on this little A over here, click on the arrow right underneath it, and click on More Colors, and we're going to make it the same color as the dashed border. So go ahead and highlight these numbers down here in color and type in CC0000, and that's that nice deep red again. And we'll just apply that, and it'll be our nice red text there. Go ahead and hit save, and let's center this. So go ahead and click back on Edit Header, and just click on the text anywhere and hit the little center button right here. There we go. And that is our web form. So that's good enough. There's more things you can do with the web form to increase response, but that's a pretty good start. So we'll go ahead and save web form by clicking on this green button here, and that'll take us, well, it'll save the web form, and then we'll go to settings, which is step 2. And you can name your form. I'll just name it first or whatever, it doesn't really matter. And we'll just leave these here the same for now, and we'll save web form, and we'll go to step 3, which is publish. Now click on the big button here with the pencil on it. It says I will install my form. Now this little script right here, it's JavaScript, and you're going to copy this and you're going to paste this in the HTML of your site where you want your web form to show up. Now if you don't know how to do that, I will cover that in a later video, or you can have your webmaster do it if you have one. So this is the script right here. This is what you want to put in to bring this web form up on your page, and you'll be good to go. And once you have that up on your page, you can drive traffic to your squeeze page, and when people sign up, they will be added to your list and receive that welcome email that we created yesterday. Alright, well, I hope this video really helped you out. Now remember, the key to building a list is getting started. Once you get everything put together, you can drive traffic and get subscribers on your list, and that's where you want to be. So get all this done, get your web form up on your page, get your welcome email created, and just get started.